Are health insurance claims becoming harder to get approved? The numbers suggest so. Complaints filed on the Bima Bharosa portal in the first 11 months of FY26 have exceeded the total for the whole of FY25. A total of 64,365 complaints were received in FY25. By February FY26, that number had jumped to 73,729, which marks a 14.5% increase. So what's going wrong? And how can you avoid insurance claim issues? Let's break it down in this edition of PF Special. One of the biggest reasons is misunderstanding the policy. Many people assume everything in a hospital bill is covered, but that's not true. Items like non-medical expenses, cosmetic procedures, and certain treatments are often excluded. A recent study, Anishchit Index 2.0 by Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance shows that 79% of Indian households are unsure if their insurance even covers major illnesses. Another common cause is non-disclosure. If pre-existing conditions or past treatments are not disclosed beforehand, claims can be rejected. Many policyholders skip details like diabetes, BP, thyroid issues, or lifestyle habits like smoking and alcohol. These may seem minor, but can lead to major claim issues later. Another reason is waiting time. If your policy hasn't completed the required waiting time for certain illnesses, the insurers may deny the claim. Claims can also be rejected if the treatment is not considered medically necessary by the insurer. Other reasons include a lapsed policy at the time of hospitalization, errors or mismatches in documents, suspected fraud. Even when claims are approved, many are not fully paid. This usually happens because of policy limits and conditions. For example, room rent caps. If your policy allows a certain room category, but if you choose a more expensive one, the insurer may reduce the payout across the entire bill, sometimes by 20 to 40%. Then there are co-pay clauses, where you have to bear a part of the cost. Some treatments also have sublimits, which cap how much the insurer will pay. Also, many policies do not cover consumables and non-medical items, which can make up 10 to 15% of your bill. Insurers may also adjust claims based on what they consider reasonable charges. Most people choose policies based on low premiums or high coverage amounts, but that's not enough. You need to understand what is covered, what is excluded, and where payouts can be reduced. A good policy should ideally have no room rent cap, minimal or no sublimits, low or no copay. Experts suggest that you should also check for short waiting periods for pre-existing diseases, restoration benefits, a strong hospital network. In a cashless treatment, check how items are listed in the hospital bill, as some may be marked non-payable. If something seems unclear, ask immediately. If you choose a non-network hospital, be prepared for reimbursement instead of cashless claims. In reimbursement cases, experts suggest that you should inform your insurer or the third-party administrator about hospitalization. Submit a proper claim file within 30 days of discharge. If the insurer fully or partially rejects your claim, they must provide a detailed settlement or rejection letter explaining its reason. Start by contacting the insurer's grievance redressal officer. If the issue is not resolved, you can escalate it on the Bima Bharosa portal. If that also fails, you can approach the insurance ombudsman. Health insurance is not just about buying a policy. It's more about understanding the terms clearly, because small details can directly impact your claim. Follow Business Standard for more such insights.